So domain range of a relation. So relation is the association between the set A and set B. Now say domain of a relation, suppose we have a relation defined R, is the set of all first elements or inputs of the order pair in the relation R. Okay, it is the set of all elements from A that appears at the first component in at least one pair in R in our relation. So see here we have a, in set builder form we have given here a relation that A belongs to A, then exist B belongs to B, such that order pair AB also belongs to the relation, right? So suppose here we have a given relation. Now don't ask here that from where this relation comes. I already told you in the previous class, when we have a set A, when we have a set B, right, their association due to some rule, some relations happen. Okay, so this relation is defined by A cross B. And now how this Cartesian product of the relation functions of the relations in A and B sets, it depends on what the conditions are there. Okay, so here we will take only relations and then we will try to understand what is the domain. So suppose we have a relation, right, and there are elements, their order pairs 1 4 2 5 and 3 4. First element of the pair 1 2 3 is called their domain. So the domain of R in this case, you will take 1 from the first order, 2 from the second order and 3 from the third order member. So 1 2 3 is our domain, right, means input. What are the inputs? 1 2 3. And you can see here this symbol I am using, actually it's a logical symbol which says that existential quantifier means there is at least one, right? If there is A that belongs to set A is an element that belongs to set A and B is an element that belongs to set B, right? So this symbol is saying that okay, if there is A that belongs to A, then there must be some, at least one existence of B that belongs to B if we have a relation defined, right? So this is existential quantifier, just for the knowledge I told you. And here range of a relation, if we will see, range of a relation R is the set of all second elements or outputs. So second element is our output. Now it is the set of all elements from B that appears as the second component in at least one pair in R. So what is the range in definition? B belongs to B, then definitely there is an existence of A output such that A and B belongs to the relation. So you have here a relation 1 4 2 5 3 4, same as before. So the second element of the pair is 4 and 5. Okay, what is the second element? 4 and 5. Definitely you can say 4 4 5 4, but I told you that repetition is not allowed in a set. So 4 and 5 is our range. Okay, so you studied two things today, that one is our domain and one is our codomain. Okay, so they are very important concept in the relations. If R is a relations from A to B, then B is called the codomain. So there is a concept of codomain also. So suppose this is a set A and this is a set B and they are related to each other. Suppose there is an elements. So those who are making the association, right, they will come under the range, and all the elements in the B is called the codomain. And domain is just all the elements of A is our domain. Okay, so today you get the understanding of domain, range and codomain of our relations. In the next class we will see the type of relation that is called function, and then we will understand about that. Okay, bye, have a nice day.